Hi everyone, welcome to GHL Plugins. In this video, we're gonna go over the different steps that we follow in order to set up the Apptivo app from our workflow apps. I'm gonna show you how we get the tool installed within your agency and how do you get it connected in your Apptivo account. Actually, this is a process that to automate different actions directly from your workflow app in GHL into your Apptivo account. But before we go any further though, let me show you the different actions that we have inside the workflow. So in our workflow, we have different actions such as to add contact, to add a case, to add a customer, to update a customer, to delete customer, to create a lead, and to create opportunity. Let me show you how to set this tool up. First off, you gotta make sure you connect on your GHL Plugins account. And if this is your first experience in this platform, make sure your agency is linked to your GHL Plugins account. So let me show you how it works. You make sure you come here, link accounts, and link agency. You open in your window leading to marketplace where you have to select the appropriate agency or sub account. But actually, we recommend you to select the agency and you allow access to all sub account within the agency. And also you enable automatic future installation in order to make sure that our tools continue working with the existing sub accounts as well as the future ones. Once you're done with it, you proceed and you're automatically sent back to GHL Plugins account. There you go. The next step is to select the appropriate workflow app that you want to install within the agency. Afterwards, you have to get it connected. So how do we do this? Come here at the workflow apps. As you can see, we have available apps and install apps. If this is your first time doing this, the tool is going to be here. For example, if you're doing this process for the first time, you just have to type Apptivo here and you're supposed to have it here actually. But since the app is already installed here, we just have to come here and install apps and we have Apptivo. Now, how are you guys going to install the app within your agency? You just have to come here at setup. And once again, you follow the same process. You just have to select the appropriate agency and check all the boxes and proceed. The next step is just to copy the custom menu link. Actually, this is a one-time action, which means that you're supposed to do it only once. So you copy the custom menu link and you switch to your agency level to create the custom menu link. In order to do it, we come down here at settings and we look for custom menu link. Here, we go and create new, and you have this form where you have to select an appropriate icon for your custom menu link. Actually, you have different icons here, right? You select one, and then you type a particular name for your custom menu link. You can decide, for example, to name your custom menu link my custom menu link, or my applications, or my apps, my tools. We decided to name our custom My Apps. Afterwards, you just have to come here and paste the custom menu link you copied from your GHL Plugins account. And then you just have to come down here and check some boxes. So when you're done, you just make sure you save. And then you switch to your sub account to look for the custom menu link. Remember, we decided to name our custom menu link My Apps. Like in GHL Plugins account, if the app is not connected yet, of course, it's going to be available here. And connected apps, of course, you have all the apps already connected to the account. So let's look for Apptivo. This means that Apptivo is already connected. So let's come here and search for Apptivo, and we have Apptivo. Now let me show you how to get the tool connected to your Apptivo account. We go on setup. There are some information required, like the API key and your access key. How do we get those keys? If you notice, we have here how to get your API key. Actually, if you click on it, it's going to lead you on a smart queue guiding you, showing you the different steps that we follow in order to get all those keys. But let me show you how we do it. Let's go on the Apptivo account. We come here, we go on business settings, and we come down here at API access, business settings, and you have API access. Bingo. It's very easy. We have the API key here and the access key. So we just make sure you copy, paste. Now we switch back at it and we just make sure we copy the access key and we paste and submit. Bingo. Guys, we just connected our tool to our Apptivo account, which means that we have the possibility now to execute actions directly from our workflow app into our Apptivo account. This is very beautiful, guys. So if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. Our support team who is available 24/7. You can also leave some comments on this video. We also have a Facebook page, GHL Plugins. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. And once again, welcome to GHL Plugins.